Alright guys, we're talking about the market today. My name is Hunter and I make videos all about crypto. So if you're interested in the space, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. And if you're on Library, give me a follow as well. Make sure you watch all the way through because I'll be giving a little bit of insight on what's going on today or what's been going on the past week or so. So the prices are down. If you're not familiar, Bitcoin pretty much between the months of July and August has been skyrocketing. I think it went up a total of about 25% from about 9,000 to 12,000. So some pretty crazy numbers. Actually, I think that's 33%. But some pretty crazy numbers that Bitcoin was hitting. And, you know, leading all the way up until last week, it's been kind of dropping down low, down around 10,000 bucks, near that range. And right now it's even hovering around 10. And people are saying, "Oh God, if we break it, it's over." You know, all this, and that. Ethereum went up to 430, I think went up to 470 and went back down again as well. And now it's around 330 bucks, something like that. So, I guess the main thing people look for in times like these is reasons why, right? Why is this happening? Blah blah blah. But to be honest, if you think about it, because we went up so high, I mean, if nothing else, right? We were in a mini bull market for that little month of July into August. Again, from the 10th of July to the 10th of August, we saw a 33% increase almost, right? So it's kind of expected there to be some sort of correction, number one. Especially with all the DeFi hype going on. I mean, for those who aren't privy to what's been going on, especially in the Ethereum DeFi space, there's been a lot of Uniswap coins or really yield farming and pretty much DeFi coins that have been going nuts. Sushi, yield farming, Wi-Fi, bunch of different types of DeFi space based tokens have been mooning like crazy. So again, no real surprise that things are kind of taking a little bit of a dip. But I guess two things to really think about in times like these. Number one is what are you doing? Number one, and number two, like why are you in the crypto space in the first place, right? And let's kind of address that. Why are you in the crypto space, right? Are you in it just because your homie told you, hey, I made some money off this magical online internet money. You should get in too, or are you in it because you understand how Bitcoin works, you understand how crypto works, and you really believe in the potential power that it has to change the society that we live in and the world really in general. If you're in it because of that first reason, then I'm not surprised that you're a little bit scared. But that's why I implore people to do more research on this stuff. And even my friends, like when I want everyone that I know to get into crypto, but I don't want them to just throw money at it and then expect them to get rich off of it, right? That's why I always say do your research first, because with any investment, when you do your research on whatever you're throwing your money into, you feel a lot more comfortable with the little dips that happen. Especially because you're investing into something that you believe in and you understand how it works. Most people that are into crypto, I'm sure, don't really know how it works. That's the reason why you probably see a lot of regular people just selling. You know, but so ask yourself that: why are you in crypto in the first place? And number two, think about this, right? If you're familiar with trends, assuming that you know why you're in crypto, uh, you know, think about that trend relating to the Bitcoin happening, right? The Bitcoin halving. We're pretty much currently we're in the calm before the storm in terms of like the next bull market, right? If you ask me, we've been in a bull market ever since March. $3,000 Bitcoin hit $12,000 literally a month ago. Um, but think about that, right? And I'm not a charter by any means, but I do believe in trends. And as far as I'm concerned, if we're comparing this back to 3, 4 years ago, right now we're in 2016. Next year is going to be 2017. That crazy bull run that everyone saw. So think about those two things. But I think that first one, where you're wondering why you're in crypto in the first place, understand why you're in it, and kind of act off that. If you don't know why you're in crypto, do your research. And if you still don't get it, then I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But so let me tell you guys what I'm doing. Now, some of you may know this, some of you may not. I'm currently in Albania. I took a little vacation off of work, and I'm trying to kind of disconnect myself from a lot of the technology and whatnot. But at the same time, you see, I'm making a video here, so I still want to keep YouTube going. But so of course, I'm gonna look at the markets and the prices and stuff. So don't get me wrong. When you see it, it's a little sting, a little bee sting. Actually, I think a bee sting hurts a little bit more, but it's a little sting. But at the same time, it's kind of like it's the same thing. I understand why I'm in this space. And I have the mindset because I've been through the bull run before, 2017. I've gone up and down with the prices, so I guess you could say I'm used to it. I don't know if I'd say I'm seasoned, but I'm definitely used to it. And I know that with anything, whether it's sneakers, but I used to sell sneakers, whether it's RuneScape, whether it's literally anything that you're in terms of economics, you buy low and you sell high. All right. So as far as I'm concerned, when I saw the prices dipping like a whole lot, I'll be honest, bro. Your boy took a little look at the Chase account. I said, you know what? Might be that time. Might be that time. So all I'm saying is that think smart. You know what I mean? Don't think like everyone else does. Really try to, use your brain in situations like these because when prices go really high, prices go really low, that's when emotion kicks in, and that's when you can lose a lot of money. So I would definitely think about it in all seriousness, and just kind of go off there. Again, I still think next year is definitely going to be one for the books to really remember. And I'm excited to ride that wave with you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I was gonna keep live streaming, but I turns out I can't live stream on mobile because I don't have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube yet. So what are you gonna do? That's why I decided to record this video and I'll post it up right away. But let me know in the comments below. What are you guys doing? You guys just holding right now, not bothering to throw any more money in? Are you selling? Are you buying more? I would love to know what you're doing and any reason why. But that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.